Pedro wanted to come out. He came right up to me.
Like, I'm ready to go.
He
Let's go for a walk.
He loves people. He wants to be with you. Yeah.
That's good, Athena. You let him smell your hand before you pet him. That's good. Hi, Pedro.
I have to let him smell my hand for him to get to know me.
That's right.
Because then they accidentally might bite you if they don't know you. They think you're a stranger.
That's right. Hey, Pedro. What you doing? Huh? How's it going there, buddy? You gonna go outside?
Yeah.
Sure.
Actually, first I'm gonna get on a walker round, and then.
Yeah.
You know what, Nikos? I think I might have you ride first because I want her. I don't want to. And then is that okay? And then you can ride, honey.
Okay.
Because I want to break. I want Nikos to break her in for you.
Get her used to rocking around with a person on
I
her.
remember how we use her. We say walk on if we want her to walk. We say ho if we want her to stop.
Good job.
That's right.
I'll go get that.
Do it. You should have spiraled it.
Be careful.
Wait, I think you were gonna go get it.
I was gonna go get it.
Wake up. Okay, just throw it to me.
Oh, this is the English shuttle. I don't like them swimming.
I'm over here.
Tina, are you excited?
Yeah, she did.
It's not even a step. It's a girl.
It's a step.
Okay. Come this way, Nikos. Probably. Yeah. What was that?
That was a super spiral. 2000.
I know, like little barrel racing. Yeah, I know.
Horses only like to smell you once.
Yeah.
How much video time does that thing have on it, Angela?
16 gigs.
4 days.
Oh.
Watch out, she's gonna follow you. Wherever you go.
Down there.
Go get it!
Well, he doesn't anymore.
Make sure you stay away from her back feet, okay?